programs. Avoid close contact in unwell. If you have any disturbance, consult a doctor. Cover mouth and nose with mask.
People, attention please. The COVID-19 virus spread in our country. So we need to do, when we cough, cover our mouth with a handkerchief. Always cover our mouth with a mask. Wash our hands with a soap. Maintain social distance. Don't touch our eyes, nose, mouth. Stay home, stay safe.
For the attention of the all people, a new textile shop Tilakam will be inaugurated by the famous cricket star Ranadev on 30th of July 2021 at Court Junction. All the modern and the fashion dresses are available. Come and experience the fabulous collection of today's dress world.
For the attention of all the peoples, a new textile shop, Tilakam, will be inaugurated by famous cricket star Rana Dev on 31st of July 2021 at Court Junction. All the modern and fashion dresses are available. Come and experience the fabulous collections today's dress world. Thank you.
Attention to all students. Tomorrow a drawing competition will be held in the school hall from 7 to 10 in the morning. Don't forget to bring the equipments for drawing and please don't be late. If you are interested in joining this competition, please register yourself in the school committee room. Thank you.
Attention please. The long-awaited drama, Silence and Noise, will begin shortly. All of you please remain in your seats and be silent kindly. Switch off your mobile phones. Don't smoke or spit. Thank you.
Your attention please. COVID-19 disease can be stopped together. We can do it. Wash your hands with soap and water. Avoid physical contact. Sneeze, cough into your clean tissue. Seek medical.
All our attention please. Now COVID-19 has badly affected our country again. Upcoming days are more crucial for us and we need to maintain ourselves also. Regularly wash your hands. Keep the social distance. Mask fix our face. Covering mouth, nose and mouth. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Attention please. Goa got you under a strict lockdown beginning April 29 till May 3 in view of COVID-19. Lockdown to be enforced from 7 p.m. of April 29 Thursday to morning of May 3 Monday. Essential services and industries will not be shut down during lockdown. Goa to go under lockdown from Thursday evening to Monday morning. Essential services and industries exempted. Public transport won't be allowed. Migrants should be not panic. Lockdown declared to break transmission chain.
All our attention please. COVID-19 badly affect our country and again upcoming days. The spread of COVID-19 disease can be stopped together. Need it. Wash your hands with soap and do not touch the eyes, nose and mouth. The cover with nose and mouth with a mask. And the information will be stay home, stay safe. Thank you, teacher.
Attention please. Nowadays COVID-19 is badly affecting our country. It is becoming more crucial for us. We need to protect ourselves from that virus. Wear masks that cover your mouth and nose. Wash your hands regularly. Use sanitizer. Keep social distance. Avoid crowded places. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Saisan. Spread of COVID-19 diseases can be stopped. Always cover your mouth with tissue when coughing and sneezing. Don't touch your eyes, nose and mouth. Wash your hands with soap. Avoid large gathering. Avoid close contact if unwell. Contact doctor if unwell. Cover mouth and
and nose with mask. Thank you.
Kindly pay your attention, please. Our club Navadala is organizing various programs as